Hello and welcome to another episode of Sandy Killer Projects. Today this video is pretty much just an update on the 53 because I haven't put up any videos of it in a while. I don't want people to think that we've abandoned it. We are still working on it. I'm in the process of doing the plating on the inside of the frame and setting up the front cross member for the front suspension to go on it. The problem we've had is it's been over 100 for well over a month, and there's nothing to cool off this garage. It's literally like an oven, so I haven't been doing a whole lot of work. But the one cool thing that I wanted to show off is this is actually the original hood. We sent it out to a metal guy and had him straighten it all out. There are a couple little dings still in it, but that stuff will get sorted out once it goes to get body work. But my wife's birthday is coming up and our anniversary again, so for those special occasions I had the hood straightened out. So the lip edge along the bottom was completely tucked in on both sides. There was a huge crease right here, and there was a split in the metal. We banged that all straight, welded the bottom bit together, flattened this all out. The rear here was completely rolled up. There was a peeled up spot in the middle here that's gone. Then there was the other side, back corner, was equally as marred. It was peeled up and rolled, and the metal worker that we sent it to was able to straighten the hood almost completely back out. Like I said, anything else, like there's some rust pitting in the hood, that'll get coated through once it goes to paint and body later. But I figured my wife would want to see something that's a major part of the car actually sorted out. And then as for plating, as you can see, I'm in the middle of it. I've got a couple more plates to make along the back. I've got another one I got to put in here, one on the flat here, and one on the back, and then the plating is all done. I also have the cross member sitting underneath. That's gonna get put up and then welded into place. There's a lot of geometry that has to be worked out between the lower A-arm assembly, and then there's a shock tower mount, which is actually sitting over there. Those two guys in that ripped up looking box are going to get welded to the top underneath the hood somewhere in here. But I have to sort all that out, and of course I gotta wait for it to not be over 100 degrees, so I don't mind sitting out here and welding. So there will be more on this truck coming up, and we will get it into the rolling condition probably fall, over the winter maybe. Once that's all sorted out, we'll have one video showing the welding stuff going on with this and the front end, and then another one going over the rear end. As you can see, the rear end housing is actually sitting right over there waiting for me to mess with it. And I've got about 15 boxes of stuff. There's some of it there. Most of the stuff came from Speedway, just to get all this sorted out. It's taken a long time to get through all this, but it's mostly because we've got a lot of projects going on besides just these car projects. So bear with us. We'll keep putting out more content specifically to this 53, and of course I've got the XJ sitting over there, and my buddy's truck. It's gonna probably be out of here in the next few weeks. That one we aren't making videos on. That's somebody else's truck. So as always, please like, share, subscribe. We'll keep making more videos. We've just got a lot of stuff going on at the moment, and it's really hot. Thanks for watching.